Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you Kim and Steve's Scotty, and they're going to tell us all about it. What year is it?
68.
And what model?
Highlander.
It is a Highlander. Okay, do you know the length of it or the weight?
I don't know. It's probably about 12 feet. Don't know the weight.
Okay.
But I can tell you that it's been widened about 12 inches.
Oh,
yeah,
so it's
wider than most.
Okay, that's interesting.
If you look from behind the camper to the truck, you can't see the truck.
Okay.
Which makes it really hard.
So let me get a view from the front, and then I'll get the back. I don't think I've heard of anybody doing that.
Tell her the story one.
The fella down in Florida that rebuilt it years ago. He's over 6 foot tall, and he said he wanted to sleep in a bed where he didn't have to scrunch up.
And that's who did it?
So he built it, yes. So he made it wider so he could sleep.
So he could sleep sideways.
He can sleep standing, literally straight.
Okay.
Crunched down.
Right.
Yeah. And you can just look at the bed. It's longer than most for that reason.
Okay. Let's go inside and we'll see it. So it has a bathroom.
Yes, ma'am. It has potty. It has an outside shower. We don't have it up for this camping trip, but it has the outside shower and the inside potty.
Okay, so does it have a holding tank, or do you have to go to somewhere with a septic hookup?
Septic hookup.
Or sewer hookup, I should say. Okay.
No holding tank.
And the shower's outside. And then this is a bifold door?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very unique. Okay. So, do you shower outside?
We have not.
Okay.
Well, it's only for looks, but we don't, like I said, unfortunately we don't have it hooked up this time.
I don't think I would
really
unless
cute.
I was out in the middle of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So how much of this was redone? What condition was it in when you bought it?
It was finished when we bought it. Everything but the new cushions we had restored.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we did
The
the
curtains.
cushions, the curtains, and the mattress.
I like the curtain fabric. So everything had already been restored by the guy you
Yes.
got it from. Okay. New flooring. And let me turn around. So it has like an apartment-sized refrigerator, which is also unusual.
Yes, we love that.
Yeah.
And the microwave.
And then your decorations are so cute.
Thank you. And of course, there's no storage, so this is like my storage closet.
Right, that's your pantry.
Yeah.
Okay. And then here you have a stove under that?
No, just double sink.
Double
No
sink.
stove.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this I can tell is not original, right? So that's been,
Correct. Yeah.
yeah, I use an electric skillet. So,
And you use everything outside. So.
mm-hmm. And now does that bed go into a dinette or does it stay a bed?
No, it stays a bed. This dinette will go into a bed as well.
The front one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's very cute. What's your favorite part of it?
Probably just all of it. I like the outdoor shower. I hate that we don't have that hooked up for you to see.
So that would be good too if you're like at the beach and your feet get muddy and you can just clean off with that. Yeah. One thing to do, make sure if you ever use an outdoor shower, and I saw this on Facebook one time, make sure if it's nighttime you don't put a light in there when you're getting in the
see your
shower
silhouette.
because you will give your neighbors a show. So keep that in mind, everybody, if you have an outdoor shower.
Probably my favorite part, you ask, is the bed. Since it's only a double, I get to cuddle with my husband.
Oh, how sweet.
I get to cuddle with a dog.
Okay, everybody, we're going to put some still shots here at the end, and thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Tell me about the bumper and how it got its name.
The bumper is 2 bumpers put together to widen for the wide camper. They're 51 Chevrolet bumpers.
And that's how you got the name Little Hot Rod?
Little Hot Rod came because of the bumpers are already there, but he has vintage cars, so it just, and then we drive it with the 68 Chevy truck, so it just became Little Hot Rod.
So I'm going to show you the truck now, and then we'll go to the still shots. Thanks again. Here we go out and see the truck. There it is. Do you want to tell me anything about the truck?
Truck is a 68 anniversary truck.
Look
Factory
over
gold
here.
and white.
So this is
And
the original paint?
it's the original color, not the original paint.
Okay.
It's been repainted. And as you see, it's low to the ground. We got air ride on it and air conditioning. Factory tilt wheel, factory tachometer. And we had to have it match the camper. So it's all matte colored gold.
Looks great. It just adds to the vintage camper when it's towed by a vintage vehicle. All right. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.